Little while ago, I discovered a YouTube channel called Secret State Files that started only about 2 months ago and is growing incredibly fast. The channel has gained more than 22,000 subscribers from just 36 videos. If you look at its oldest video, it was uploaded only about 2 months ago. And one of its most popular videos has already reached around 776,000 views, even though it was uploaded just 1 month ago. Basically, this channel creates videos about American history and economics. And if you look at its videos, you'll notice that it simply uses AI-generated images with an AI voiceover playing in the background. And here's another interesting example. Another channel gained around 69,000 subscribers from just 78 videos, and it uses almost the exact same format. So, alright, let's see how you can create videos like these. First, click the link in the description to open ChatLLM by Abacus AI. I'll also leave the link in the pinned comment so you can easily access it. The reason we're using ChatLLM by Abacus AI is because it's basically an all-in-one AI platform. You can access multiple premium AI models and tools in one place, and new models are added as they become available. You can use models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, and more, all from one platform. Alright, today we're going to use this one platform to create our entire video. So, first of all, sign in. Once you sign in, a new page will open. Now, the first thing we need to create our video is a topic. For this, simply open the Google Doc. You'll find the link in the description. Here, you'll find all the prompts we need to create the video. Right now, we need to generate some video topics, so we'll copy the video topic prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into ChatLLM by Abacus AI. And here's one interesting thing. Here, you can choose between multiple premium AI models. For example, you can use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, and many more from one place. For now, I'm going to choose Claude Sonnet 5, then simply run the prompt. As you can see, ChatLLM by Abacus AI has started generating our video ideas, and within seconds, we have 100 viral video topic ideas ready. None of the titles are repeated, and all of them are unique. For now, I'll choose topic number 1, the hidden technology that built ancient Rome. Now that our topic is selected, the next step is to create the video script. For this, go back to the Google Doc and copy the video script prompt. Yes, this prompt is a little long, but it's a completely optimized prompt designed specifically for creating the script. After copying it, simply paste it into ChatLLM by Abacus AI in the same chat and run the prompt. Now ChatLLM by Abacus AI will ask us for our video topic and video length. So, we'll simply enter our selected topic and the desired video length, and then run the prompt. As you can see, ChatLLM by Abacus AI has started writing our script. While the script is being generated, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Alright, our script is now ready. Let me read you a few lines from it. Most people believe Rome conquered the ancient world through military strength alone. And the most interesting part is that our entire script was generated in just 52 seconds. That's less than a minute. Also, if you're working as a team, you can invite your team members so both of you can work inside the same chat. You can manage your team and share conversations with other members, which makes collaboration much easier. Alright, our script is ready. Now, the next step is the voiceover. And for this, we don't need to use a separate tool. Simply open a new ChatLLM by Abacus AI tab and click on the image and video section. Here, we'll paste our script. So, copy the complete script and paste it into the box. Then, instead of image, choose speech and change the option from auto to text-to-speech. Here, you'll find multiple premium text-to-speech models. For now, I'm going to choose 11 Labs because it can generate very realistic and natural-sounding voices. Simply run the script. And within seconds, our voiceover is ready. You can simply download it from here. Now, the next step is image creation. For this, go back to the Google Doc again and copy the visual prompt. Then open a new ChatLLM by Abacus AI tab and paste the prompt. Here, you can choose whichever AI model you want. For now, I'm going to choose GPT 5.6. Simply run the prompt. ChatLLM by Abacus AI will now ask you for your script. So, copy the complete script, paste it here, and run the prompt. As you can see, ChatLLM by Abacus AI has started generating our image prompts. And within seconds, we have 50 image prompts ready. You can paste your complete script here, and it will generate the visual prompts you need for the entire video. Once we have our image prompts, the next step is image generation. For this, open another ChatLLM by Abacus AI tab and select the image section. Now copy all of the image prompts and simply paste them here. Make sure the image option is selected. You can choose any image generation model you want. For now, I'm going to choose Nano Banana 2. You can also use other AI image generation models like Nano Banana Pro, ChatGPT, Image 2.0, Midjourney, and more. Next, select Image Generation 1 because we only need one image for each prompt. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 since we're creating a YouTube video. Now simply run the prompts. As you can see, our images have started generating. And while they're generating, you can grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and relax. One of the best things about ChatLLM by Abacus AI is that you don't need to install any extra extensions or manually paste every single image prompt one by one. Within a short time, all of our images are ready. And just look at the level of detail in these images. They look very similar to the style used by the channels we looked at earlier. And the best part is that we generated all of these images with just a few clicks. Now let's turn some images into videos, which can make your videos even more engaging. So, for now, let's convert a few of our images into videos. Simply open a new ChatLLM by Abacus AI tab and select the video section. Here, you can import the image that you want to convert into a video. Once you've imported your image, switch the mode from image to video. Here, you can select your favorite video generation model, such as SeeDance, Kling, Gemini, HeyGen, and other available models. Next, select the video duration. For now, I'm going to choose a 10-second video. Then select the aspect ratio. Since our original image is in 16:9, we'll also choose 16:9 here. Now simply run the image to video generation. And within seconds, our video is ready. As you can see, our image has been turned into a professional and engaging video. You can use the same process to convert some of your other images into videos and make your final YouTube video even more dynamic and engaging. So you can create both images and videos from the same platform. To download our images, simply click on the File section, and from there, you can download all of your generated images. So now, all of our images are downloaded. And here's another interesting thing about ChatLLM by Abacus AI. The monthly subscription is only $10, and you get access to multiple premium AI tools and models in one place. If you were to subscribe to all of these tools individually, it could easily cost you more than $100 per month. And that's not all. ChatLLM by Abacus AI also includes a powerful AI agent that can handle much more than just text generation. For example, you can use it to create professional, deeply researched PowerPoint presentations, build full-stack applications without coding, create websites and businesses, build iOS and Android mobile apps, and even work with powerful AI infrastructure. You can also use parallel AI agents to build complete software systems, CRMs, subscription platforms, and other applications, with the AI handling things like the front end, back end, and hosting. You can also connect enterprise tools and data sources such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and OneDrive, and use them to create chatbots and AI agents that can work with your connected information. So, as you can see, this is much more than just a chatbot. This is what real AI automation looks like. Alright, now let's move on to the editing. For editing, open your preferred video editing software. For this tutorial, I'm going to use CapCut. First, import all of your images and your voiceover. Then place the voiceover on the timeline. Go through the voiceover and remove any unnecessary silent sections, because long pauses can make the video feel boring. Once you've removed the silence, add your first image and adjust its duration according to the script. Then continue adding all of your images to the timeline and adjust them according to the voiceover and script. Once all of the images are properly placed, let's add transitions. For this video, I'm going to use a black fade transition. Set the transition duration to around 0.4 seconds, then click Apply to All, so the transition is automatically added between all of the images. Now we need to add captions. Go to the Captions section and click on Generate Captions. Within seconds, all of your captions will be generated automatically. For the font, I'm going to choose Rubik. For the text color, choose yellow, and for the background, choose gray. You can adjust the text size according to your preference. If any caption is longer than one line, you can manually split it into 2 parts. Simply select the caption, place the cursor where you want to split the sentence, and press Enter. Do the same wherever necessary, and make sure all of your captions are properly aligned. And that's it. Our video is now ready. Simply export the video, and you're done. So, that's the complete roadmap for creating this type of AI-powered YouTube video. And remember, everything we use today was done through ChatLLM by Abacus AI, along with our editing software. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to click the ChatLLM by Abacus AI link in the description or pinned comment. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials.